It has not even been a week since new Uttarakhand Chief Minister Tirath Singh Rawat took over the office and he has skirted controversy already. While the controversial statement is nothing new for the BJP Chief Ministers, take for example Biplab Deb, BJP's Tripura Chief Minister, but when it comes to moral policing or questioning women's choices in any arena, nobody can compete with our male politicians. So, in what was a display of misogynistic attitude, Tirath Singh Rawat deemed it fit to question women who wear ripped jeans about their sanskar. He said that women in ripped jeans set a bad example. The Chief Minister made the controversial remark while addressing a child substance abuse workshop in the state. Elaborating his logic, he explained an incident happened with him. He described in detail the attire of a woman who sat next to him in a flight. The woman, he said, identified herself as an NGO worker and was traveling with her kids. He said, "You run an NGO, wear jeans ripped at the knees, move about in the society, children are with you, what values you will teach?" Terming ripped jeans as Kenchiwala Sanskar, that is Caesar culture, Rawat claimed that it is being taught that one will not be called rich without ripped jeans and bare knees. Let us hear what he said.
और बहन जी बैठी थी तो बातचीत हुई, शोभा के बगल में बैठी हैं, लेकिन मैंने जब उनकी तरफ देखा तो नीचे गमबूट थे, जब और ऊपर देखा तो घुटने फटे थे, हाथ देखे तो कई कड़े थे, लेकिन जब ये घुटने देखे बच्चे दो साथ में उनके थे। मैं कहा बहन जी कहाँ जाना है? दिल्ली जाना है। हस्बैंड कहाँ है? जीएनयू में प्रोफेसर है। तुम क्या करती हो? मैं एक एनजीओ चलाती हूँ। एनजीओ चलाती है, घुटने फटे दिखते हैं, समाज के बीच में जाती हो, बच्चे साथ में हैं, क्या संस्कार दो?
As the video of Uttarakhand Chief Minister went viral, women across the country called out the Chief Minister on his misogyny. Several women took it to social media to post their pictures in ripped jeans to send out a message that their clothes are their choice and it definitely does not define their characters or sanskars. Even women politicians called out Uttarakhand Chief Minister and posted their pictures with a hashtag ripped jeans Twitter. TMC MP Mahua Moitra wrote on Twitter, quoting the Chief Minister, that whenever one looks at Uttarakhand Chief Minister, we see a shameless man. You run the state, but your brain seems to be ripped. Shiva Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi also shared her picture in ripped jeans. She wrote, "Ripped jeans or kitab. The country's Sanskriti and Sanskar are impacted by men who sit and judge women and their choices. सोच बदलो मुख्यमंत्री रावत जी, तभी देश बदलेगा." DCW chairman Swati Maliwal tweeted, "Rapes happen not because women wear short clothes, but because men like Tirath Singh Rawat propagate misogyny and fail to do their duty. Stand in solidarity with the women in #RippedJeans Twitter." Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan meanwhile said that such statements don't befit a chief minister. Those on higher post must think and make public statements. You say such things in today's times, you will decide who is cultured, who is not, based on clothes. It's bad mindset and encourages crimes against women. A Twitter user wrote, "Ripped jeans are any day better than ripped brains." Many women took to Twitter to school Uttarakhand Chief Minister. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth, they represent India's aspirations, they represent India's hopes, they represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call Startup Stories. It is a curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.